Which sandwich do you prefer? Chick-Fil-A or Popeyes? If you haven't heard, there's a war going on, a chicken war, and social media is all to blame. Today, I'll show you how to use social media as the powerful selling tool that it is, rather than waiting for traditional marketing to kick in. And we're getting into it right now. Hi, I'm Carol J. Dunlop, the online wild strategist and Amazon #1 international best-selling author. Welcome to another video on how to unmarket your business with no-cost and low-cost marketing strategies. Subscribe now if you haven't already so that you don't miss anything, and make sure you click that bell so that you get all the notifications instead of just some of them. This is Blogs on Video. I blog weekly and then I create it into a video because some people are just more visual, like myself. But you can also read it. The link is below. First, Popeyes Chicken is making mucho moolah right now. There's an avalanche of chicken going on over there, and it's all due to social media. Let's summarize how this happened and why it's important. Thank you to Liberty White, founder at Chosen Media, for giving us the 411. 6 months ago, yes, 6 months, Popeyes created their chicken sandwich. But nothing major happened until Black Twitter got involved and started sharing, and it went crazy. Somebody woke up and wisely got on board this hot trend. It's been reported that social media is responsible for giving Popeyes $23 million worth of advertising for free. I talk about this in my Hot Trends series, and the link is below. You can catch that also. After hashtag Black Twitter, the media jumped on, and then Popeyes started their social media ads, pay-per-click campaigns, and stories galore. Got it? Whew. Even though social media blew things out of the water, they started with a traditional marketing campaign. However, without social selling and hashtag Black Twitter, none of this could have happened. This is a perfect example of how social media can blow up a product and make your brand a lot of money. But don't get it twisted. If you think that you can create a couple posts, share a video or two, and start raking in tons of moolah, it ain't happening. There are 3 reasons that people buy from you on social media. 1, they know, like, and trust you. 2, they want to start a relationship with you. Not that type of relationship, but you know what I mean. Or they are convinced your product or service will stop their pain. In the blog, I break down those 3 points. Number 3 is really important. Let's dive in and compare social selling to traditional selling when it comes to presenting your solution to your target audience. Traditional selling. You have the option of using TV, radio, newspaper, and/or print ads. The main drawback with these methods is time and the unknown. It takes anywhere from 6 weeks to 3 months to get traditionally created campaigns in front of your audience. If you're trying to jump on a trend, good luck. And you never really know for sure if your actual target audience is watching, listening, or reading what you created. Let's talk about social selling. Immediately when a trend hits, using social selling or social media marketing, you are able to create and post content so you can get in the conversation while it's still hot. And you have the ability to adjust and change your message on a dime, which can be a blessing if you miss the mark and need to rethink, or if you hit the mark and need to wash, rinse, and repeat. Most important of all, social selling, you can target the heck out of your audience and be very certain that the audience you want to see your campaign actually does see it. Did you know that 10% of the people that you meet on social media are ready to buy right now? But did you also know that everyone is targeting that same 10%? Here's the thing. You don't have to compete for that 10% along with everyone else. You need to go for the 70% that aren't even on your competitor's radar. Check out the blog and see how all of this works. And also check out the video about the nail, which is part of the blog post. It's super informative and will leave you with a new perspective on how you can tell if your people are ready to buy or not, and exactly what you need to do to get them to buy. Head over to the blog now. If you're short on time, I have a PDF download that you can grab and go through on your own time when you're ready. The link to that is below as well. Now that's it for Blogs on Video today. Be sure to tune in again on Monday for our Monday Marketing Nuggets at 9 a.m. Eastern. And then I'll see you back here on Thursday for another episode of Blogs on Video. Bye for now.